Hello everyone, welcome to Raw Perfect classes. My name is Rachna Rana. I have 20 years teaching experience. Today I am going to discuss about differential calculus. And this is our lesson number 7 in differential calculus. In mathematics, differential calculus is a subfield of calculus. And it studies about the rate at which quantities change. It deals with variables like x and y, function fx, and corresponding changes in variables x and y. The symbols dy and dx, that is called differentials. The process of finding derivatives, that is called differentiation. And biologists also use differential calculus for deciding what is the exact rate of growth in vectorial culture when different variables like temperatures and food source are changed. Then what is the exact rate of growth? It is a part and branch of mathematics and its main focus on limits, functions, derivatives, integrals and infinite series. At the end, we can say that it deals with the rate of change of one quantity and with respect to another. If fx is a function of x, then function f dash x is equal to dy over dx. That is the differential equation of the function. One variable is dependent variable, other variable is independent variable in differential calculus. Who developed the differential equations? Newton and Leibniz. And what is exactly calculus? It is a specialized mathematics which allow us how we can calculate the behavior of functions, and it's a study of relationship of limits, integrals and derivatives. These are the formulas of derivatives. First formula is derivative of x is equal to 1. Second formula is derivative of kx. K is a constant value. Any constant value like 5, 6, 7, a, b, c, d. Then derivative of kx is equal to k. Derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v. Derivative of u minus v is equal to derivative of u minus derivative of v. Derivative of uv is equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. This is the addition formula of derivative. This is the subtraction formula of derivative. And this is the product rule of derivative. And this is the division rule. So, we can say that derivative of u over v is equal to v derivative of u minus u derivative of v divided by v the square. And this is the derivative of u v w x is equal to u v derivative of w plus u w derivative of v plus v w derivative of u. Some standard rules which are used for differential calculus. First is derivative of x the power n. If derivative of x the power n is given, then we use this formula n x the power n minus 1. Derivative of e the power x is equal to e the power x, and derivative of a x is equal to a. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. And derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x, derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tan x, derivative of a the power x is equal to a the power x log a, derivative of inverse of sin x is equal to 1 over root 1 minus x the square, and inverse of tan x derivative is equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus x the square, and derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x, derivative of secant inverse of secant x is equal to 1 over x and root x square minus 1, and derivative of constant means c is equal to 0. uh, if you like my video, please click on like button and share button so that another person can take the benefit of this video, and if please don't be forget to subscribe so that you can get another videos. Thank